こんにちは、Azumaです。今日は日本語の動詞について勉強しましょう。
Japanese verbs have various conjugation forms. Verbs express tense and levels of politeness through their conjugated forms, and by combining with various sentence structures, they can convey a wide range of meanings. For example, the te form of a verb combined with
ください、
translates to please do.
食べてください。
Also, the te form of a verb combined with
もういいですか？
means can I do.
食べてもいいですか？
Therefore, it's essential to study the conjugation forms of verbs. When studying verbs, it's important to understand the verb groups. There are three groups: Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Starting from the right, Group 3 consists of irregular verbs, with the dictionary forms being
する、
and.
来る、
Group 2 verbs end with
いる、
or
得る。
in their dictionary form. Group 1 includes all other verbs. Each group has its own set of conjugation rule. For example, the most basic verb form is called the dictionary form, but when you want to speak politely, you change it into the masu form. For Group 1, it changes from
う、
to.
います。
For Group 2, it changes from
る、
to.
ます。
And for Group 3, it changes from
する、
to
します。
and
来る、
to.
来ます。
Now, let's explain how to distinguish these groups. First, check if the dictionary form of the verb ends in
する、
or.
来る。
If it does, it's a Group 3 verb. If it doesn't, move on to the second check. The second check involves seeing if the dictionary form ends in
いる、
or.
得る。
If it does, these are Group 2 verbs. If it doesn't, it falls under Group 1. Group 1 verbs are identified by their dictionary form, which typically doesn't end in
いる、得る、する、
or.
来る。
I hope this explanation is clear. Please make sure to remember these rules. Now, which group does this verb belong to? Let's look at an example problem.
飲む、
Group 1.
見る、
Group 2.
勉強する、
Group 3.
開ける、
Group 2.
持ってくる、
Group 3.
会う、
Group 1.
行く、
Group 1.
帰る、
Group 1. Following the rule
帰る。
would be Group 2, but it's actually Group 1. There are exceptions like this, it's important to learn them individually. Next, let's try changing the dictionary form to the masu form. Group 1 changes
う、
to,
います。
Group 2 changes
る、
to,
ます。
and Group 3 changes
する、
to,
します。
and.
来る、
to.
来ます。
Which group does this verb belong to, and what is its masu form?
飲む、飲みます。見る、見ます。勉強する、勉強します。開ける、開けます。持ってくる、持ってきます。会う、会います。行く、行きます。帰る、帰ります。
Remembering the verb groups is very important for studying their conjugation forms. By memorizing these groups, you can study various conjugations of verbs. Please remember these rules. In the next video, let's study the te form of verbs.